Hello viewers, hope you are doing well. Today's concept is voice change using phrases have to, has to, had to, will have to. Now I am going to explain how to change one sentence from active to passive using phrases have to, has to, had to, will have to. Keep watching till the end. So this is Umar Mahapatra. Welcome back to my channel to get the concept clear. If you find this video informative and helpful and want to see more videos like this one, subscribe to my channel and press the notification icon so that you never miss an upload. Let's start the concept. I have to clean the room. Okay. When you change one sentence from active to passive, at first we have to see the verb. Verb is transitive or not. How to know one verb is transitive or not? We have to ask question to the verb with two WH words. One is what, another is whom. Right? What, another whom. Okay? I have to clean the room. Have to phrase used here. Then the verb is clean. Verb is what? Clean. It is one transitive or not? How to know? We have to ask question to the verb with WH word what or whom. Clean what? Answer comes. Which is the answer? That is object of the sentence. And if it answers the question what, so the verb is transitive form. We can change the sentence into passive. In passive structure, that object will be subject. So the room has to. Okay, here have to, as I is there, I have to. As we writing what? The room is the subject here, so it will be has to. Has to will be written, then the given verb will be past participle and another be verb will be added. And be verb will be added as be. Okay, so what is added? Be cleaned. Understand? It became what? Past participle and be verb added. Be cleaned. Right? By I is there, so it will be by me. Understand? Next, they have to take the food. The same way, have to is the verb phrase, have to, then take is the verb. Take what? The food. Okay, so the food is object in this sentence. The food in passive structure, that will be subject. The food has to written here. Okay, will be written. Has to, then take is the verb. That will be what? Be taken. Okay, be taken. Take, took, taken. Past participle form of verb and be verb is added as be. Be taken by them. They is there. Okay, it will be what? By them. Right? She has to paint the wall. She has to paint the wall. Here has to. Okay, paint is the verb. Paint what? The wall. So the wall is object. In passive structure, that will be subject. The wall has to written here. Then paint. Past participle will be and be verb added. So be painted. What is? Be painted. Be painted by. She is there. So we will be what? By her. Okay. Another example I am giving. He has to go there. Right? He has to go there. Has to written, Okay, go is the verb. Ask question with what? Go what? Answer comes? No. Go whom? Answer comes? No. That means it is not one transitive verb. Go where? Go there. Answer comes what? There. That means verb go answers question where. So it is not one transitive form. We can change the sentence. We can't change the sentence into passive. Next, Lata has to meet me in the park. Here has to meet. Meet is the verb. What comes? Me. Person comes. So meet whom? Meet me. Me is the answer. Right? So in passive, meet me in the park. Me is the object. It will be subject in the passive structure. So subjective form of me, I. I have to, okay, I have to meet. I have to be met. I have to be met in the park by Lata. Right? My friend had to attend the meeting. My friend had to. Past have verb. My friend had to attend the meeting. Attend what? The meeting. Right? The meeting had to attend, be attended. Get it? Be attended by my friend. Okay? She had to phone her friend. She had to phone. Phone is the verb here. Okay? Phone whom? Her friend. Her friend had to be phoned. Okay? Be verb is added as be. Be phoned, past participle form of verb. By whom? By her. Understand? I had to request my teacher to come. Request whom? My teacher. My teacher is object. So it will be subject. My teacher had to, okay, had to be requested. Requested. Be requested. Right. Be requested to come. By whom? By I is there. So it will be me. By me. Let's see. Voice change using will have to. Okay. The same way, they will have to play a drama. Play will have to. Then play is the verb. Play what? A drama. Okay. So it will be a drama. Will have to will be written here. Will have to. Then verb. What verb will be added? Be verb. So be as be. Right? Will have to written. Then be verb is added as be. Played. Past participle of play. Played. Play, played, played. Be played by they. So it will be what? By them. Right? We'll have to collect the fund. We'll have to collect what? The fund. So the fund will have to then collect, be collected, be collected by what? Us. Okay. You will have to visit the examination. Will have to visit. Visit is the verb. Visit what? The examination. So the examination right? The examination will have to okay, will have to visit, be visited. Will have to be visited. By whom? By you. I hope you got the concept clear. If you like this video, don't forget to leave a thumbs up. If you love this video and want to see more videos like this one, subscribe to my channel and press the notification icon so that you never miss an upload. Thank you. Stay safe. See you in the next one.